What if I told you that a completely free stack of AI tools could be your ticket to an extra $2,000 every single month? It sounds like a headline you'd scroll right past. But I'm living proof that it's not only possible, it's surprisingly straightforward. And in this video, I'm handing you the exact blueprint I used to build this income stream from scratch. Forget what you've heard. Most people are convinced that making real money with AI requires a wallet full of expensive software subscriptions, access to exclusive paid tools, or a decade of technical experience and a degree in computer science. That's the narrative that keeps so many people on the sidelines, thinking this opportunity isn't for them. But I discovered something fundamentally different. The barrier to entry has completely vanished. By leveraging a powerful and completely free tech stack, I'm talking about household names like ChatGPT and Canva. I built a simple, scalable content writing service from the ground up. And that service now brings in a consistent, reliable monthly income that has genuinely changed my financial landscape. So, let's break down exactly how this model works, starting with the service that got me to my first $2,000 a month. The core service is AI-assisted content creation for small businesses. Here's the step-by-step process. First, the research and drafting phase. When a client gives me a topic, say, the benefits of drip irrigation for home gardens, I don't start by staring at a blank page. I turn to my AI assistant. I use a tool like ChatGPT or Google's Gemini to act as a research intern. I prompt it to gather key information, find statistics, identify common questions people ask about the topic, and structure a comprehensive outline. Then, I ask it to write a first draft based on that outline. This initial draft is the raw material, the block of marble before the sculpture. It's not the final product, and this is a critical distinction. Next comes the most important step, the human touch. I take that AI-generated draft, and I edit, refine, and rewrite it into a high-quality, polished blog post. This is where you earn your money. I check every fact, inject the client's brand voice, add personal insights or analogies, and ensure the article flows naturally and provides genuine value. I'm not a machine operator. I'm an editor, a strategist, and a quality controller. The AI handles the grunt work, and I provide the professional finish. The final product is a polished, SEO-friendly article that's ready to be published. My clients are typically small businesses, think local landscapers, boutique marketing agencies, financial advisors, or e-commerce stores. They know they need content for their website, but they lack the time or expertise to create it themselves. I charge between $100 to $120 per article, which is a fantastic value for them compared to a traditional marketing agency. The math is beautifully simple. To hit my goal of $2,000 a month, I just need to deliver 20 articles at an average price of $100 each. That might sound like a lot of work, but it's not. And here's the secret that makes it all manageable, the 70/30 rule. The AI does about 70% of the heavy lifting, the research, the outlining, the initial drafting. I handle the crucial 30%, the editing, the fact-checking, the personalization, and the final polish. This efficiency means I can take an article from a client brief to a final, polished deliverable in under 2 hours. Suddenly, writing 20 articles a month doesn't mean 80 or 100 hours of work. It means less than 40 hours, that's less than 10 hours a week. This is the power of leverage. Now, content writing is just one path. As I got comfortable with this workflow, I realized the same free tools could be applied to other high-demand services. I discovered 4 other incredible methods, each with the potential to hit that $2,000 monthly target on its own. First, YouTube Shorts and short-form video creation. The process is similar. Use AI to brainstorm viral ideas and write scripts. Then, use a free video editor like CapCut to assemble stock footage or simple graphics. Add captions, and you have a deliverable. Businesses will pay $50 to $100 per video, and you can easily create several in a day. Some AI video tools like Runway ML are even making the visual creation process easier, though free tiers can be limited. Second, presentation design. Every consultant, startup founder, and sales manager needs slide decks. You can use ChatGPT to structure the entire presentation, from the hook to the call to action. Then, take that text, paste it into Canva, apply a professional template, add some branding, and you've created a high-value asset. You can charge anywhere from $200 to $500 per deck, depending on the complexity. Third, creating and selling digital products. This is where you turn your expertise into a passive income stream. Use AI to help you outline and write an ebook, create a set of Notion or Trello templates, or design a bundle of social media graphics in Canva. You build it once, and you can sell it forever on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. A well-made ebook can sell for $19, and a comprehensive template pack for $49 or more. And fourth, AI-assisted appointment setting. B2B companies, especially those with small sales teams, will pay handsomely for qualified leads. You can use AI tools to research ideal customer profiles on LinkedIn. Then use another AI writer to help you draft highly personalized, non-spammy outreach messages. You're not just blasting a generic template. You're using AI to find specific details to mention. For this, you can charge a monthly retainer of $500 to $1,000, $500 plus a commission on booked meetings. Each one of these methods, when executed properly, can hit that $2,000 monthly target. But here's the most important piece of advice I can give you. The key is to pick one method and go deep. Don't try to be a content writer, a video editor, and a presentation designer all at once. Choose the one that best fits your skills and interests. Once you've chosen, master the AI-assisted workflow for that specific service. Create a system. Know exactly which prompts to use, how to structure your editing process, and how to deliver a consistent, high-quality product every single time. Then, focus relentlessly on consistent client outreach. Your skills are worthless if no one knows you exist. Spend an hour every day on platforms like LinkedIn, Upwork, or even sending targeted cold emails. Your message should be simple. I help type of business with the service you provide so they can the benefit they get. Offer to do a small, low-cost trial project to prove your value. Your goal is to get your first few clients to build a portfolio and generate testimonials. This isn't an overnight process, but it's faster than you think. For me, it took about 8 weeks of focused effort to build up my client base and reach my income goal. And I did all of this while working a full-time job, dedicating just my evenings and weekends to this new venture. The dream of a profitable side hustle is real, and the tools to build it have never been more accessible or more powerful. You just have to start.